going on, ladies? It's just your boy MikeOfAllTrades. And yo, today we got an unboxing of the new Wave Toys Zoltar Speaks. So if you guys have seen this thing, it's been out for a little bit. They sent me one for review, and I'm finally getting to it. This thing's had a big freaking effect on pop culture, whether it be from Big or from GTA 5, even on old episodes, on episode 10, season 1 of Batman the Animated Series. It literally, you know what I'm saying, has been everywhere. So we're going to take a look at it. They actually wrapped this one in plastic, so excuse the noise. All right, and here we go. Yeah, it's been that busy. So this is the front of the box. You know, 6 scale. This is a 6 scale machine. It is a fortune teller machine, literally fully animated, mini coin operated, speaks all the recorded messages, and the fortune card dispenser with 55 fortune cards. So, yeah, it's pretty detailed. Here, let's lay this thing down. All right, you guys get the first look, as always. That's a nice detail on the inside. Let's see. The Ultimate Master of Fortunes. So it's pretty nice and a dope note. Sees all inside the box. Of course, there's foam protection to protect what's inside of it. Obviously, you've got a USB cable. This must be the roll that has all the fortunes. So we'll get to that. And then there are instructions and little mini coins, like always. And then inside of that, we have the machine itself. Very well protected. Here, I will get this out and we'll be right back. Also in the box, you do have the manual, which, you know, tells you how to connect it and get everything set up together. It's not like the 1/6 scale, so it shouldn't be that much difficult. This roll does need to go inside the machine. You've got the mini coins. Again, the coin slots do work. You've got the faux power cable, which connects to the back, and you have a USB, I believe this is Type C. Yep, this is a Type C cable, just like the other ones. And then you have Zoltar itself. Really well freaking detailed, you know. Again, I haven't opened this thing up at all, but the sides look really cool. Everything else, I'm assuming that's the door where we're gonna put the roll of tape at and whatnot. Look, it's fun for you and me. But yeah, and that's where the roll of tape's gonna go. This side up, indicated by the arrow. We'll leave that off and we'll get the tape installed in a second. And then the back, you've got your speakers. Your coin collection box is actually on the back now for this one. That's good detail because I don't remember what's on the front. And then you've got the charge, the faux cable, on and off power switch, and then the track mode, which is dope, and then your volume rocker. So this stuff used to be on the top, but it's not anymore. And then we've got the other side. I'm assuming this makes noise. And then the bass, which is pretty cool. 2024. So yeah, let's get this thing loaded up. Actually, a fun fact, if you look at it, there's two screws holding it in, but there's already a feed in it. So where it says pull the set, we can literally pull it, and there's a feed. So that's pretty cool. There's a red power light to let you know that it is charging. And we're gonna flip this on and see what happens. All right, let's flip the switch. I did flip the switch.
You may have heard this, but Zoltar is here to tell you you can believe it. Age is simply a matter of mind. If you don't mind, then my friend, it doesn't matter. So go on, be carefree like a little baby. But first, give Zoltar a little money, and I will give you a fortune.
Okay, so it just gave me a fortune. That's cool. That's actually really cool. Okay. So that's a fortune it spits out, and apparently there's 15 different messages and whatever else. So we're gonna try to stick a coin in, and let's see if he gives us our fortune. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the coins are like the size of my finger. But here, let's push the button and let's give him a coin and see what happens. If I can see the hole. Haha. Haha. There we go.
My name is Zoltar the Gypsy, and I have some words of wisdom to bring you much happiness. As you travel through this life, remember this. If you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Go ahead and let Zoltar tell you more.
Well, I hit 4,000 subscribers. You guys see the perforated thing with the tickets? So we'll peel it off, and you guys can see what it says. You've been trying to figure out the best time to travel. You're wondering if a business trip or vacation would be good. You may be wondering if travel is a better thing to arrive. Okay, not what I asked about, but hey, this is actually pretty cool, Shout out to Wave Toys for sending this. This is probably really hard to find right now, honestly. But if you can get one, it's a good novelty thing, man. It's actually really good. It's detailed. It even has a little dust on the inside. You know what I mean? Like, straight out the package. So, I would say that's attention to detail, right? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And as we make our way to 4K. Catch you later.